Hello everyone. Now, this is one pension Western digital hard drive from one DFL user in Brazil. We are now testing the firmware modules and find out which modules are corrupted so that we can repair corrupted modules and get the drive fixed and get lost data back. Okay, now let's check the test result. So we are right now checking all the firmware modules, and from Snug window we can see only the module 6F has some unknown red arrow. Actually this is checksum error, but this module 6F is not important, so we can ignore this one. So we can go back to the firmware module list and check all the key firmware modules are in good status. And after this one, we can use the common repair. Here, common repair, and the first one, the slow fix. We can use the first option to fix the snow issue. And here we have fixed the snow issue successfully. After this one, we can use the firmware restart, and then we can go to the hex and check the sector 0. We can see the partition mark. Okay, then we can try to enter the DFL DDP data recovery software to check the lost data. Okay, now we set up one new project, and so the client doesn't have drive D. We need to reset this parse, so only drive C. That's why we create the file parse failed here. So we need to select here and save here. Next, file extraction. So we check the log window and let's see. Okay, there are only some bad sectors, but the software can detect and list all the lost partition. So we can see when we are trying to expanding the partition, list all the lost folders under this one, we can see there are some errors. So this means some bad sectors there. So for this drive, we need to set up the head map and image the drive, and finally we can scan the lost partition, this one, and scan the files. Okay, thank you for watching the video.